Hello amazing people, today I'll be showing us how to make sugar sail without Isomalt. Yes, sugar sail. So to get this done, I'll be needing sugar and water and glucose, as well as I'll be needing a saucepan. But this is what I have here. Whatever you have will work for you, so you don't have to break the bank. And then I have my color. So sugar buddies, we'll be getting ourselves a simple cake topper. We have to start by adding our sugar into the saucepan. Then you have to add the water. Make sure you have an accurate measurement. You find the recipe in the description below. And the next ingredient to add is the glucose. Try to do your best to swipe it off the spoon because you still have some left there and you have to scrape it off or wherever you got it from. You need to get everything out so you won't be short on your measurements, so scrape it all out. Even if it means using your finger to get it off the spoon, scrape it all up. So the process begins on a low heat. Place your saucepan on a low heat and keep stirring. It's a little harder now. As time goes on, it gets easier to manipulate, and as you can see, it's getting easier to manipulate. So keep stirring gradually. Be patient so you get what you want. Otherwise, I don't know what you get. I don't want to find that out. So at this point, there's little or no water in this mixture and everything has been incorporated. So we have to be patient to take it gradually and keep stirring until we get the texture that we are looking for. There's a key tip. It's advisable to leave your spoon inside so it won't overflow. If you are still watching, then you ought to like this video, show your sister some love by sharing, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the good stuff. It looks like the sugar syrup is ready, so up next is to test it for perfection. To test this, you want to have a little bowl of water, just like this, and you have to put a little quantity of it into the bowl of water. When you hold it and it's hard but a little easy to manipulate, then you're yet to get what you want. Now check this out, I can actually fold it. This is not what you should be looking out for. So leave it on fire for a little while and then you do the test again. So here I'm doing another test and it is hard. By just touching it, it's hard. And I have to slam it against the bowl and I can hear the sound, like the click click sound, just like a glass. If your mixture comes out amber, then you have nothing to worry about, provided you have your colors. But in this, I'll be using black because I think it's classy. A little color goes a long way, so don't overdo it. Some people require a silicone mat for this, but you can actually use your parchment paper, and that's why I'm using a parchment paper in this video for those of us who don't have a silicone mat. So we have to keep pouring this gradually. It's really hot, so it's not something you just pour once, it just consolidates at the center, so you have to spread it. You also have to be fast while bringing it out of the saucepan, otherwise it's going to become hard. It will harden, so most of the efforts you put into this will just be a waste, and you don't want to start putting it back on fire. So this is what you do to get your desired shape. it's still liquid and it is easy to move from one side to another, so you have to keep tilting it from one side to another to get the kind of shape that you're looking for. So you have to tilt it like so, and it keeps moving from one corner to another. So it's getting harder, and I have to place it on a jar, a bottle, or whatever it is that suits me. And this is what I have, and that's what I'll be using. So it now depends on you. Do you have a jar? Do you have a bottle? Whatever shape you want to get is what you get out of this. So you have to keep manipulating it until you get what you're looking for. As you can see, I'm tilting it from one end to another, adjusting it and shifting it to the other point, to the point that I'm looking for. See what I'm doing? I advise that you secure your sugar seal with clips so you can maintain the perfect shape. Yeah, we are ready. So we are so ready to unravel this thing. It's done, it's hard, it's shaped, and it looks beautiful. So you have to do this gradually by removing it so that you won't have the paper stuck to it. So it's something that, it's not like it's hard, but just be gentle with it. And voila, it's absolutely beautiful. Just check this out. Feels just like a glass on my hand, and it's beautiful, just beautiful. You can fill the sugar seal with fruits, and you can fill it up with flowers depending on how you want to use it. You can even use it just as it is. It's absolutely beautiful. To do a little extra, I'll be staining the edges with gold dust like this. It depends on how you want it. You can just leave it the way it is, or you do this. Either ways. So amazing, people, this is the end of this video. Isn't this lovely? If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Like this video and share to people who need it. See you in my next video.